This is going to be our 2010 Dodge Challenger. If you're looking for an affordable muscle car, this is the one for you. Going to have the bright white clear coat with the black and red racing stripe, halogen headlights, halogen fog lights as well, and the turn signals with the iconic Challenger front end. Under the hood, you're going to have a V6 with just around 94,000 miles on it. So a ton of life left in this thing. Going to have the red calipers down there with some really nice wheels. We're offering this at just around $9,400. So if you're looking for a muscle car, this is a great option for you. Going to have the louvers back here and that iconic Challenger rear end as well. Taking a step now into the front seat. Going to have some nice bucket seats, keep you snug while you're driving. These are going to be cloth, and you have the cloth back seat as well. Going to have a sunroof, which is a nice added touch. Nice big Dodge steering wheel. And you have the gauge cluster. Going to have the infotainment system, radio. You can use the aux, all that right there. And below that, you have some climate control. This is going to be an automatic. You have your cup holders and your center console. If you have any more questions about this thing, or you think that this one might be the one for you, please feel free to reach out anytime. Give us a call. This is going to be a great muscle car if you're looking for an affordable one.